We are travlwear, a team of engineers who have created the ERA Backpack. It is designed to turn heads and tirelessly constructed to be the perfect travel bag. The modular system includes magnetic lash straps that can expand your carry capacity and a top bag that can be removed and used as a side or camera bag. Our proprietary 5-layer ShieldTek material has been optimized with machine learning algorithms to reduce impact forces and keep the contents safe from drops, accidents, and the elements. The ERA Backpack is packed with smart features that make it the ideal bag for those on the go. A 180-degree zip and built-in compression mesh allows for suitcase-like packing. The large shockproof main compartment can hold 5+ days of items plus extra gear. There is a separated front pocket that is perfect for shoes and laundry. It includes a removable and washable laundry bag. Hidden in the back is a theft-proof pocket. The modular top bag attaches with magnetic lash straps. There's a stowable water bottle pocket and easy access harness pockets. For your gear, there is a shockproof tech compartment that can hold up to 2 17-inch laptops and a convertible organization wall with an integrated USB charge port. The ERA Backpack's distributor harness is engineered to feel lighter on your back with 3-way air channels. The 3 easy adjustment points contour the harness perfectly to your body and optimize load distribution. For the heaviest loads, there are removable, pocketed, and padded waist straps. Engineered for the traveler, adventurer, and creator. Pre-order your ERA Backpack today at the lowest price we'll ever offer.